Magandang araw mga boxing fans at welcome back sa Boxingville TV.
That was a beautiful right hand shot, I believe, by Philip.
Minaliit ng kampiyon sa harap mismo ng milyon-milyon niyang mga kababayan ang ating pangbato. Nagwala na sa kanyang pangalawang pagdayo sa ibang bansa ang ating kababayan.
That was a beautiful right hand shot, I believe, by Philip.
Noong 25 ng Marso taong 2027, kung ating matatandaan ang naging laban ng Pinoy na si Glenn Interina kontra sa Russian boxer na si Mark Urbanov na naging controversial dahil sa mga karakas ng kampo at nasabing referee sa laban. Dahil matapos pabagsakin at basagin ang pagmumuka ng kanyang kalaban, ay animoy sa isang iglap, Pinoy pa ang natalo sa laban. Parang naengkanto ang ating kababayang Pilipino sa mismong teritoryo ng kanyang kalaban, nang ito ay parang batang pinaglaruan lamang. Kaya sa pagsusumikap ng Pinoy na hindi na muling maulit pa ang mga ganong senaryo sa kanyang karera, ay agad na bigyan ito ng pansin nang ilagay ang kanyang pangalan bilang isang challenger sa nasabing bakbakan sa kampiyon sa isang Australiano, si Jacob Ng. 16 ng Marso taong 2019, dinayo ng Cagayan de Oro City, Misamis Oriental ang bansang Australia dahil doon gaganapin ang nasabing bakbakan ng naturang kampiyon. Sa pagpapakilala sa dalawang manlalaro, makikita na ang mataas na kumpiyansa nitong si Jacob Ng, na animoy tinamaan ng isang kahon ng pelbilsen at binanlawan pa ng Ginkamatis. Sa kanilang laban may kartada ito na 9 na panalo, 6 naman ay galing sa knockout at wala pang bahid na talo. Samantalang pagpasok ng ating kababayan ay makikita na ang pagkaugaling Pilipino nito, mapagkumbaba at mahiyain, ngunit nasa loob ng puso ang determinasyon manalo sa laban. May kartada ito na 14 na panalo, 8 naman ay kanyang naipanalo via knockout at merong 4 na talo. Kaya naman panoorin natin ang laban na muling pinagtulungan na naman ng ating pambato, pero pinakitaan nito ang buong Australian crowd ng isang malupit at kagila-gilalas na bakbakan.
Jacob Ng, the local fighter in the blue, about the ring entry that Jacob Ng does. He told me it was from memory of a great friend of his.
Sa tangkad ng champion, bodega ang tinatarget ni Glenn Interina.
Good friend, Jordan Coates.
Yeah, you're 100%.
With 7 KOs, will he continue against a very
Now all the Filipino fighters, they're strong, tough, and always look to finish fights. A couple of power punches, as you can see, Glenn Interina doing right here now. He's got 14 wins, 9 of them are by knockout. He's got 4 losses, 2 are by 9 and 0 with 7 KOs. Mixes the bar, this is by any means an easy fight for Jacob Ng. This man is coming to fight, he's coming to Australia to take this title. Jacob Ng, he knows what to do, knows how to mix it up, and knows how to go to the body.
And he's been very, very patient here as NG. He's copping a lot of punishment. He's taking a lot of punches on his gloves. But now he's very patient, plays openings before he...
Unang round pa lang mainit na ang bakbakan dahil sa dami pa naman ng nanonood sa laban.
What he's doing here, he's got to hold his back, and his words were dominate 4 rounds. It's going to be very dangerous for him. He comes off at his range. Once he finds his range, he is in your face, looking to take your head off. Tearing off the punches from Ng. But he had him hurting that when he had him against the ring. The right-hand shot was part of that combination.
Yeah, good punches there from NG. Interina coming from the Philippines, who enjoy a lot more activity, Australia, especially coming out of the lightweight division. So that's a big thing.
It's a big thing, and he put in hard rounds, which is vital for a fighter. But Ng gives all that he has, and he's a great fighter, and he knows how to go to the body. He's sending shots to early, and there's a shot right here.
Maagang napuntusan ng knockdown si Kabayan sa iba't ibang kombinasyon na ginagawa nitong champion.
Previous fighters, he hit him once and he went back to
So he's got that fighting spirit in him as he starts his round off the jab.
Kala ng lahat hanggang dun na lamang ang ating Pinoy. Kaya panoorin natin ang ginawa ng ating pambato.
finish compared to all of his opponents.
And you look at him, he's got a slim frame, but he does deliver power. Oh! That was a beautiful right-hand shot fighter. 7, 8. He's got to survive it. He's got to run, he's got to hold him. Because here comes
Mas malakas ang epekto ng patama ni Glenn Interina. Groggy na ang champion.
It's gonna take him about 30 to 40 seconds. Chooses to punch back. Use his feet, that's good. Tie him up, wrestle him, stop.
He's gonna hold on with all these might here. 2 or 3 good punches there from Jay, but I
Buong tapang na hinaharap ang suntok ni Interina at ganun din ang champion.
Adrena's coming back with power shot. Jacob's gotta be careful. He chooses now.
Matapos masuntok ng ilang beses, huli na umawat ang referee sa pagtukod sa batok ng ating Pinoy.
This is the main event. Left, right from Jacob and G. And he knows how to land. Bang, bang, bang. Careful on that. Tina's big shot. But since Filipino is got for more. I still don't know if he's recovered. He's still got to be careful. Hang on, Nathan.
he's shorty. Keep him long. Keep him at the end of his punch. Keep
Malayang nakakapuntos ang champion sa paulit-ulit na pagtukod nito sa batok ng ating kababayan.
Wow!
Wowee!
Round 3 coming up. Action packed for that big right hand counter. And do those little feints. He's got to use his distance well, doesn't he, Nathan?
Yes, because this is when he's dangerous to Philippines.
Patuloy si Interina na siya ang magdikta ng laban sa pagiging agresibo nito.
He's got to be patient. He's got to start sticking with the jab and start chasing him. He can't stand this opponent, that puncher.
He's just going to have something out there. If he's tapping his opponent's gloves, he's keeping him at range doing that.
No doubt, Jacob's going to look for those bodies to keep his hands up. I'd like to see a few feints too, Nathan.
Yes, he rushing him like he just did before. He got away with it that time.
But we know him. He's a fighter. He's fought in Thailand. He's grown up fighting, and he loves it. He loves to mix it. He loves to football. He's got to be careful. Combinations, 2 to the body, 1 over the top. His own right uppercut. Both fighters look Nathan.
Doesn't he put on a performance every time for the crowd? Jacob NG.
Benji. Both of these guys big enough.
And here comes NG back on.
As well, looking for those big right hands, but he's wearing some. The body shot can't let him in from Interpol, like you said. That's where he wants it, in the corner. He's got to make those punches and be careful. He does possess power. He's swinging the move. But how tough a Filipino fighter.
Lalong bumabagsak ang Pinoy natin dahil sa mga exhibition nitong kampiyon na sinasamahan ng pagpatong ng braso. Buti sa awa naman ay napansin na rin ng referee ang bisyo nitong champion sa laban.
Five in there and get things going your own way. He's looking for that right hand in that Flamingo.
Oh, and a good right uppercut catches the attention there of Interina.
There comes up Flamingo. Atina's trying to set stalls. He's trying to say it's not him. But he
Buti na lang rep at napangiti mo ko sa ginawa mo. Di mo masasabi kung kampiyon ba talaga ang mokong na ito sa mga dagdag damage nito sa ginagawa niya sa kanyang katunggaling Pinoy.
It's coming!
He gets him with a shot himself. This is the problem.
Stop! Time! Tina was about to say, obviously, he might not continue taking these shots. I don't think this point. What are we going to see then? What are we going to see?
I don't think
Making his gloves together, he's saying, come on, bring it! And he comes up, as he's been doing this, careful.
10 starts well for NG with a great uppercut. End of follow.
What he's got to do, he's got to box wise, movements to land those shots. Not do what he said during this game. But sometimes that's all he wants to do is just land toe. That's Jacob NG. He's got to be careful.
That was a good combination. Left rip, left uppercut.
Mukhang naubusan na ng hangin si Kabayan kaya malayo nakakapatama itong champion.
Left hook you want. He's looking to land that counter left hand. Maybe keeping him at distance. Nice right hand. Another one. Left hook right to the body. There's Richard. He's got to be careful. Angles are good. Left uppercut. Jab. Everything is still there. He's still in this fight. He will have hundreds and hundreds around with tough fighters.
And look at clarity's there.
I must say, same man. Walks right up. He wants to throw those big punches. Wearing a lot. His attack is better than so far. It's doing good. Interina, he's taken some mates tonight with their stethoscopes, and it's just go past 5. I don't know if he knew about the toughness of this man in front of him. A willingness to punch, a willingness to...
Sa postura ng diskarte nitong si Enterina sa pamamagitan ng pagyuko ay animoy gusto nitong mag-counter ng isang malakas na suntok. Kaso lang sa haba ng braso ng kanyang kalaban ay naaantala ang gusto niyang planuhin.
Well, he's got the variation of punches, has NG. He's got uppercuts, he's got hooks, and he's got the good movement.
It seems as though NG's seen the punches a lot better now. He's sort of, you can see he's got his eye in for it now. The shots off himself as well.
That's right, and a lot of that I believe is due to the angle he's creating. He's moving at a different angle and marker works that, like that. So this is what he's got to do, quick punching, flat-footed. He's in great condition. Starts this round like he did the...
And what about the condition of Jake? Look at him, he looks perfect this round.
He looks like Thai boxing, kickboxing, boxing, someone who's dedicated his life to boxing. His dad is a trainer. It's just round 5. It's starting to...
Back on, he's getting them every time. That's what he needs to do, plenty of dividends.
I don't think he needs to, or I don't think he should be. I'm seeing the jab, punch way. You know, I'm always scared when a fighter leads with a jab, especially with a bomber. You know what I mean?
Exactly. Well, when you're leading with a right hand uppercut, all you do, and if to throw an uppercut, you need to be...
Beautiful angles and quite nice of that. Back to orthodox. It's 5 punches. And Jimmy's on the ropes. We know that will give them gun. But in comes the Flamengo fresh. He's got it. He's still dangerous. The body will work. The body. Here comes the Flamengo. And stop the fight. The Flamengo.
Sa totoosin sa ating napanood, umpisa pa lang dapat ay may pagbawas na ng puntos sa champion dahil sa pagsuntok nito sa Pinoy habang nakatukod ito sa ulo ng ating kababayan. Sama mo pa ang mga hirit nitong patama sa mukha ng Pinoy habang ito ay walang laban. Ganun pa man, buong puso pa rin akong bumibilib sa tapang na ipinamalas ng Pinoy na si Glenn Interina, na kahit ito pa ay nakasagupa na naman ng kalabang, may pambihirang galaw at hindi angkop sa sports ng boxing. Kung isa ka sa mga nagkagusto sa ating tampok ngayon, ay malaya kang kalembangin ng kampana upang makasama kita sa panonood ng mga laban ng ating mga Pinoy boxer.